got a taste that it seems to me reminds me of decaying bologna, where everything was as tasty as the day's French fries. Now and then when I see its cheese, it takes me away to my happy place, and if I stay there too long, I'd probably take out some condiments. Whoa, oh, oh, sweet lunch mine. Whoa, oh, 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 sweet sandwich of mine. It's got buns as gold as suns, and if they turn to green, I'd hate to eat those buns and feel all them stomach pains. It just reminds me of the green, green grass, and as an egg I lay and pray for my mom to come again to hatch me out of my cage. Whoa, oh, sweet sandwich of mine. Whoa, oh, oh, sweet lunch of mine. Sandwich of mine. Whoa, oh, oh, whoa, sweet lunch of mine. Whoa, oh, whoa, sweet sandwich of mine. Yeah, oh, whoa, sweet lunch of mine. When do we eat now? When do we eat? Whoa, whoa, when do we eat? Oh, when do we eat now? When do we eat? When do we eat now? Yum, 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 yum. Oh, when do we eat now? Oh, when do we eat? When do we eat now? When do we eat? When do we eat now? Oh, when do we eat? When do we eat now? Now, 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 now. Sweet sandwich. Sweet sandwich of mine.